Hey babes, so I wanted to film a video on my skincare routine. It's really important to take care of your skin. Your skin is your body's largest organ. It's really important what you put on it because your body can absorb what you put on your skin. So anyways, I have a couple different skincare routines. I like to switch it up. I do different things throughout the week. I think this is what I get the best results with my skin. Everybody's skin is so different, so it's really important to kind of play around with products and see what works for you. I personally have rosacea, so my skin can get really red and really irritated, and it can kind of look like it breaks out, but it's really my rosacea. And then I can break out too, so you know, it's really important to know what kind of products are good for your personal skin type. This is obviously all going to be products that are great for my skin, so they might not be the best products for you, but I'll talk about some different variations and things of that nature. So let's get started. So first, it's really important to actually wash your face. You really have to cleanse your face. I know this sounds super basic, but you know, it's more than just splashing water on your face. Wiping off your face with water and a towel is not washing your face. It's really good to invest in a good cleanser. It took me a few years to really realize this and see the difference of when you have a good cleanser and you regularly use it. So I like to use this Siesta cleansing gel. It's by Jan Marini. It's the step one. So it's, as you can see, it's Siesta, so it's got a lot of vitamin C in it. Vitamin C is really, really awesome for your skin, no matter what your skin type is. Your body or your skin, your face, whatever, is not going to be able to absorb different kinds of products if you don't have vitamin C. Keep in mind, I'm not an esthetician. I am a nurse, so I know a little bit about skin, but not a whole lot. So, you know, take what I say with a grain of salt. But I have done a lot of research. I have gone to a lot of estheticians. I try to really invest in skincare. So I would like to share my knowledge with you. So anyways, so I really like this brand. I really like this cleansing gel. It smells really good. Let's see. I want to squirt my face with it. Here, so actually I have a little bowl of water here. Dip my hands in and just kind of get my face wet and squirt some of this guy on my hands. You can use like a face washing tool if you want. There are different ones. Silicone ones are actually the best. The ones with brush heads actually harbor bacteria and are not so great for you. You have to change out the brush heads super often. They're really expensive. And honestly, I don't find a huge difference in my skin when I use them. So anyways, so I actually don't have a silicone tool. I had it used on me during facials. I really like it. I might end up investing in one, but I usually just use my hands. It smells really good. It's like, I don't know, kind of orangey, I guess. You get that vitamin C in there. So, good cleanser. Wash your face, you know. It's, just want to get all in there. Really cleanse as much as you can. If you are doing this at nighttime and you wore makeup, I would say wash your face twice. Like maybe wash it or use a makeup remover wipe. And then when you're done, do a really good wash of your face, because I promise you, you're not gonna get it all out or get all your makeup off the first go around. So I just got my hands a little bit more wet. So you really get this foaming and going. I find that I get the best results and I feel like my face is the cleanest when I feel like I'm just going overboard. So really just go at it. There, beautiful. Okay, so this is pretty messy doing this at my desk. So I'm going to dip a little hand towel or washcloth, I guess, into my water. I I actually like to use cold water. I know a lot of people probably do not. I just find that it feels more refreshing on my face. I don't think it matters. Okay, and now we're gonna dry our face as best you can. I was just tweezing my eyebrows and I fucking tore a little piece of my skin, so that's great. All right, so step 1 is done. So got your face cleansed. This is definitely not something I do every day. I think that it's the best in summer. Anytime your face just feels puffy or inflamed, or like, you know, this spot that I just got with my tweezer is really bothering me, I have an ice roller. So this part, easier said than done, right? It pops out. There we go. And you keep this guy in your freezer. I keep it in a Ziploc baggie, just so it stays nice and clean. And you freeze that, and then you can pop it into your roller and just use it to roll in your face, and it feels so good. It's like, it's orgasmic, really. Anyway, so you just roll it on your face, really up in there, whatever feels good. I don't know, I'm sure there's probably like a proper way to do this. I usually go like, try to go like more pressure on the out, like when I'm going outwards of my face, just because that's what feels nice. Yeah, feels. And you can do your neck too. I mean, really, you can do this anywhere. Probably feel nice, like on your feet, or you know, your back or something. Just if you use it somewhere other than your face, make sure you wash it. I mean, you should be washing it anyways after you use it, because you don't want to get, you know, bacteria on this guy and then just keep putting on your face, because that would be pretty gross and kind of defeat the purpose of all this work that you're doing for your face. So anyways, I just got this mask. I've had it used on me during a facial before. I really like it. PCA Skin is one of my favorite brands. They are pricey, but it's worth it. Everything I've bought from them has lasted me a really long time. It's Physician's Choice Aesthetics, is what PCA Skin stands for. No, Physicians Care Alliance. That was way off. Anyways, let's pretend that didn't happen. So this is a revitalizing mask. It's got enzymes in it, so it's an exfoliating mask. I personally cannot use exfoliators that have like, I can't use like scrub exfoliators on my face. With my rosacea, that will just inflame and make my whole face way worse. So if you have sensitive skin or rosacea or eczema, this would be great for you. I mean, honestly, this is great for all skin types, but if you don't have sensitive skin, you can use like more of a scrub type of exfoliator. But I love this. It uses fruit enzymes to exfoliate. The first ingredient in this is papaya fruit. So it says to apply an even layer over your entire face, leave on for 2 to 5 minutes, depending on sensitivity. If uncomfortable, remove immediately. Remove mask with warm water and gentle circular motions. Pat dry and follow with appropriate PCA Skin moisturizer in the evening. Use no more than once a week. So that is something that is really big. If you are using any kind of exfoliator, you really should only be doing it once a week, maybe twice at the most if your skin can handle it, but honestly, once a week is plenty. If you are exfoliating your face every day, you are just going to be rubbing your skin raw, and it's not going to do you any favors. It's gonna make your face super fucking sensitive. Okay, this stuff just pours out. So it looks kind of ugly. It looks kind of like a greenish mango, I don't know. So we're just gonna put this on our nice clean face. It smells pretty good. I don't really know how to describe it. I wouldn't say it smells like papaya. It smells, ooh, I feel it tingle. Smells kind of like fruity and floral, but like, that is not describing it well. I wish I could, I don't know. I don't really know. It smells good. It's not like my favorite scent or anything. I wouldn't want to bathe in it, but like, it smells good. I don't know, like that smells more fruity now. I don't know. It smells fine. Whatever. It's good for your skin. Whenever I use like exfoliators and stuff, I try to make sure I go around my brows because they are microbladed, and you putting like exfoliator on it and stuff is going to shorten the lifespan of those guys. Yeah, you just want to put it everywhere. Obviously stay clear of your eyes. All right, so we're gonna leave that on for 2 to 5 minutes, and then we'll be back. All right, so left it on for the full 5 minutes. Swapped out my water bowl here for some clean water, and let's wash this sucker off. All right, now we'll pat our face dry. All right, so once you've got a dry face again, oh, this skin feels like really fresh and like tight right now. I really like that mask. I'm going to use a little bit of this Rose Absolute First Serum by Aromatica. Got this as a sample. Really like it. It's just like a calming rose serum. I just have a regular cotton round pad here. I love these things. I use them a lot. I have reusable ones as well that I do for more like washing my face. I love the little round ones from Makeup Eraser. Makeup Eraser is an awesome brand. If you don't know about them, check them out. They're reusable. I don't have enough on here. They are reusable, like little makeup towels, I guess you could call them, but with the microfiber that they have on there, all you need to do is get them wet and it'll remove your makeup like really gently. You don't even need makeup remover, although like for mascara I'll add a little bit of makeup remover to it, and then it just comes off really well, and then you just throw it in the washing machine. Yeah, they're really awesome. I really like them. I use them a lot. But I like these for skincare needs. This is what I was saying, like no matter how clean you think your face is, like it's not, which is really gross. So that's why it really helps to do a couple steps in your skincare. Make sure you're actually getting things nice and clean. And anyways, so I have that rose serum on my face. Feels good. I'm gonna let my skin dry a little bit. We're gonna just, you know, just fan ourselves, you know? Feel a little bougie, feel a little extra, it's fine. Okay, so then I'm gonna use another PCA Skin product that I really like. It's the C&E Strength. So it's got vitamin C and vitamin E. I've already mentioned that vitamin C is really good for your skin. Vitamin E is as well. Vitamin E is super healing. Vitamin E is like really good for scars and stuff. I have a scar from an old eyebrow ring there, so this definitely helps. The directions on it are to, after cleansing, toning, and applying PCA Skin treatment serums, apply to the face and neck in the morning. Patients might experience a slight tingling sensation upon application. Follow with broad spectrum SPF product in the daytime and moisturizer in the evening. You know, I don't follow these directions word for word, obviously. Okay, use a little shake up here because I'm doing this in the nighttime, not in the morning. But you know what? It's fine. So I'm kind of running low on this. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like an off-white, light yellow. It smells really good. I don't know. It's that kind of like fruity, floral. Ooh, it really sings over like where I accidentally cut my skin, but you know what? That's fine. Probably just means it's working, right? I don't know. Definitely feel more of a tingle after doing that mask, putting this on. Normally I don't really feel too much of a tingle with this, but I like it. Kind of feels good. So yeah, so you just kind of, you know, just work that in. And I'm gonna put the cap back on this so I can use both hands. You're gonna make some weird faces when you do skincare stuff, and that's fine. Want to do a little like self massage, you know, really nice. Just do whatever feels nice. All right, so our last step for this skincare routine that I'm going to do is, surprise, surprise, another PCA skincare product. This is the Clear Skin Moisturizer. I really love this stuff. It's a great moisturizer, promotes having clear skin. I threw out the box, so I don't really remember why, but I do think it works. It's just a really good lightweight moisturizer. You can see it just, yeah. I'm just gonna kind of rub this on top. And this just kind of helps like seal in, you know, gives some moisture barrier, really seals in that CNE strength product, helps add more moisture obviously to your skin. That's why it's called a moisturizer. Do people who hate the word moist hate the word moisturizer? Just wondering. Okay. I'm definitely feeling like a little tingle from this. It's not from this, it's because I'm rubbing around the CNE stuff a little bit more too, but it feels kind of nice. Just makes my skin feel like super clean and tingly, and yeah. So obviously my face looks like really, really shiny because I've got all this product on it right now, but my skin will slowly absorb it, and I'm gonna wake up just looking like a fresh baby's bottom. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little Erin's Beauty Rex video on skincare, switching it up a little bit. Hope this inspires you to take good care of your skin, and let me know if you have any suggestions, ideas, comments, complaints. I mean, don't tell me if you have a complaint, I don't fucking care. And stay tuned for our next video. See you later.